The 1965 Dodge Coronet 5th Generation RT 426 HEMI Coupe marked a significant return, boasting a 117-inch wheelbase and positioned as an intermediate B-body model. With sales exceeding 209,000 units, it emerged as Dodge's best-selling offering that year. Trims encompassed the base Coronet, a deluxe variant, Coronet 440 and Coronet 500. The lineup included two-door and four-door sedans, along with station wagons. An exclusive variant, the A990, equipped with a 426 HEMI racing engine, saw limited production and was dubbed Funny Cars due to its elongated front. It featured stripped-down elements, standard front seat belts, and a padded dash. In the middle range, the Coronet 440 was presented as a two-door hardtop, convertible, and station wagon. Surprisingly, the 440 designation did not indicate engine size. The Coronet 500, the top-tier model, was available solely as a two-door hardtop or convertible, featuring V8 power, 273 cubic inches, distinct exterior trims, bucket seats, and a chrome floor console. Production sites included Chrysler's LA Assembly Plant and Lynch Road Assembly Plant in Detroit. Engine choices for 1965 encompassed the 225/6, 273, 318, Polyhead, 361, 383, and 426 with varying horsepower options. The 413 engine, though listed, lacked evidence of installation. Optional features comprised a tachometer. The 1966 lineup saw the addition of the Coronet 500 SE, a four-door edition, while a redesign and facelift followed in 1966 and 1967, respectively. Trim offerings included the base Coronet, Coronet 440, and Coronet 500, with the introduction of the Coronet Deluxe in 1966 and the Coronet RT in 1967.